Now we should read the passage carefully. Ammu is a baby goat. She is looking for food. She is very hungry. She looks to the left, but there is no grass there. She looks to the right, but there is no grass there. Now look at the questions. First question, who is Ammu? Second question, what is Ammu doing? Pick out two nouns from the given passage. Next, write two double sound words from the passage. Next, fill in the blanks. She is very dash. Now, answers. Ammu is a baby goat. Ammu is looking for food. Noun is naming word. So, answers are Ammu and goat. Two double sound words are food and looks. She is very hungry.